Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong 2025. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And also, please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate or you claim the reading. Okay? So, let's see. Libra. Love life energies for Libra. Draw na muna tayo ng mga cards nyo. Oh, you have the Chariot. The Seven of Swords. Okay. Tinan natin. Ano pa? The Chariot is moving on. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are moving forward. You are going to a new direction. Although, alam nyo, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nag-move on from someone in the past, pwedeng ito ay manggulo pa rin sa inyo, no? Or pwedeng kayo ay maguluhan pa rin. Oo, yung parang maging marupok. O, diba? Oh my God! Libra. I can't make this up. Attached to my ex. If only there were a time machine to bring us back to those beautiful memories. Nako. Mukhang ano ha. Dramatic ang inyong love life ngayong 2025. Let's see what else for Libra. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Someone is really thinking about you. Parang yung iba sa inyo parang pinaghiwalay. Oo. I don't know kung ba't kayo pinaghiwalay. For some reasons, no? Kuha muna tayo ng mga cards, okay? Para tuloy-tuloy after. But, for some of you, Libra, definitely, may energy ng past. Ang lakas ng energy ng past. Pwedeng hindi lang to isa, pwedeng multiple people from your past relationship will come back. Naku. Gazelle. Merong nakamasid. Oo, nakamasid sa inyo. Praying mantis. Oh my God, someone is manifesting you. Libra. Baka itong ex mo, minamanifest ka na bumalik sa buhay niya. Aha. Okay. Let's see what else. Libra. Expectation. Friendship. Okay. May bagong energy dito. Relationship sa friend. What else? For Libra, love life. Listen with your heart. Okay. New love. O, diba? Okay. Exciting. In fairness, exciting ang love life ninyo. Ngayong 2025. Libra. Energies ng love life ng mga Libra ngayong 2025. Show us the energies, please. Okay. Ito pa. So, oh my God. Pasensya na ha. Puro ako, oh my God. Kasi, things are really aligned, no? You have the South Node, which is energy ng past. You also have Pisces energy. So, meron ditong nag-i-illusion pa rin, no, for your connection. So, this can be you or the person that you're dealing with. Maari kasing, there's a lot of emotions na kasama dito sa reading ninyo, no. Parang, someone wants to leave everything behind, iwasan na, tapusin na. Pero, andun pa rin yung temptation of getting back to someone na minsan naging stress rin sa buhay mo. And at the same time, andun pa rin yung love kasi. You still love this person. You still have a lot of emotions for this person. Kaya lang, may limitations na, no? Something is limiting you with this connection. Pwedeng may involvement din ng ibang party rito, no? Pwedeng may third party connection, third party situation. Kaya gusto mo nang umalis. Okay? Gusto mo nang umalis sa sitwasyon na yon, pero hindi mo siya talaga totally magawa. Okay? So, yan yung pinaka-challenge sa'yo ngayong 2025 pagdating sa relationship mo. Kung paano mo paglalabanan na wag nang bumalik dito sa person na to. Kasi you have Urus. Urus is about strength, your vitality, yung lakas mo. So, maaring kailangan mong paglabanan yung emotion mo, yung feelings mo towards someone, especially from your past. Kasi masastuck ka sa person na yan. Oo. Hindi mo mapapansin na parang nasa cycle ka na lang, paulit-ulit na lang yung problema, yung issue ng relationship ninyo. Maaring this person na ka-deal mo, nagkaroon ng cheating, nagkaroon ng trust issues. Okay? Kaya lang andun yung love, no? Kumbaga, you love this person, may pinagsamahan kayo, and this person also loves you, pero may may sense of pagiging selfish dito, no? So, pwedeng ayaw ka i-let go ng person na to, pero hindi rin niya kayang panindigan. Oo, yung relationship ninyo. So, mahirap pag ganun, 'di ba? Parang it's unfair. It's unfair. Yes. So, with Gazelle and then Praying Mantis, I also see you na gusto mong may magbago na, no? Gusto mong umiba na ng direksyon. Okay? Gusto mo na kaya nga may bagong love dito, oh. New love coming in. And I see this as a person na magiging kaibigan mo muna bago kayo pumasok sa romantic connection. Okay? So, itong ex mo kasi mukhang gustong bumalik, gusto mo ayusin. Hindi maka-move on. Or maaring ikaw to, energy mo to, na attach ka pa sa ex mo, hindi ka pa maka-move forward. Or parang marupok ka pa. Oo. Gusto mong balikan yung mga magagandang memories. Paano naman yung mga memories na masasakit? Oh, 'di ba? Yung iba sa inyo, lagi nyo pang naiisip tong person na to. Sabi niya, I close my eyes and imagine you're here with me. It feels so real. So, someone is also manifesting. Pwedeng yung person mo, mina-manifest ka na bumalik sa kanya. But I think, no, yung iba rito, this is a karmic connection na kailangan nyo munang matuto, no? Matuto kayo dun sa lesson na napagdaanan nyo. Kasi kung hindi natututo, paulit-ulit yung problema, yung issue, it's not gonna work, okay? Hindi na yan mag-work sa 2025. You will eventually move on and move forward to a new direction. Because I see you manifesting a new person coming in sa buhay mo. This can be a friend, no? A close friend, or bagong person na makikilala mo elsewhere, makikilala mo sa work, 'di ba? Nakakaloka. So let's see what else pa. Tell us about this new person for Libra. Tell us about this new person. Ooh, this person is mayaman. Or pwedeng this person has maganda yung buhay niya. Oo, pwedeng makilala mo to sa trabaho. 5 of Wands. I think sa una, hindi kayo parang merong conflict between the two of you. Pwedeng hindi to magsisimula as parang exciting na relationship, na connection. Magsisimula to as parang naiinis kayo sa isa't isa. And eventually, yung madidevelop siya into something na may mangyayari. Parang magiging close kayo dahil sa isang event sa inyong dalawa na mapapakwento kayo ng buhay ninyo. And dun magsisimula yung friendship nyo. And eventually, it will lead to a romantic connection. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Good luck sa 2025. And thank you so much. See you again.